You can ask me politely. You're in front of your kid. Oh, do you? Do you live in this bush right here or something? Knee knocker to sit down. I rolled off too much throttle. My wrist is more pumped than a petrol station on my hand. Holy tits in a bag. This is a good little spot, I like this. I was trying to get a little thing off the curb where you go up the curb and bounce off into a wheelie. I just can't get it. I think I'm just too scared to do it. And you can't get an angle to where you can just come on and bounce off the kick of the curb. What a quiet car. Tried to control the madness. She was actually like amazed. Okay, that was first gear. You okay? Sorry? I doubt anyone's going to be going 60 down here. Listen, I'm just practicing. I don't mean to cause any harm. You can ask me politely. You're in front of your kid. Oh, do you? Do you live in this bush right here or something? Come on, man, just be polite. Oh, listen, I will happily move. I'm just trying to practice. I'm doing something positive. I'm trying to practice. Huh? Phone the police, you flipping idiot. I feel sorry for your fucking kid. Boring old bitch. Hey. She's calling the police, so just hide your plate if you can. You need to find something better to do with your time. Huh? We ain't causing no harm to no one and you want to do something like that? I feel sorry for you. What, for doing something positive with our life? Going to a quiet place to practice? Huh? I'm leaving to get out of your hair and so we don't waste anyone's time. We clearly see that it's not welcome here. We thought it wasn't busy, so we thought, you know, well, I'll practice. Listen, you need to be a good example to your child and handle situations better. Huh? Not prattling around. Not prattling around. You're holding up the traffic. You're causing more problems than I've ever caused. Sorry, you're gonna have to go faster. Just got a bit emotional because we come here to practice. Thought it was a quiet road. Anyway, just check on her, make sure she's calm. Yeah? Yeah. Ready? That was eventful. See you on YouTube, you old bitch. I went over to her because I was thinking she was saying something positive. I was like, hey, you alright? I thought she liked the wheelies. And I thought she was filming me because she liked it. She's trying to film my fucking number plate. What an idiot. I was even saying, this is a nice quiet spot we can practice in.